no orders have been given to any agency to track Sameer Wankhede, the top officer of the Narcotics Control Bureau, who's investigating the case in which megastar Shah Rukh Khan's son has been arrested. That's what Maharashtra's Home Minister Dilip Walse Patil has said today amid snooping allegations. NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede, who spearheaded the raid on the cruise ship, which led to the arrest of Aryan Khan, met the Maharashtra police chief to complain about being monitored.
सर आपकी जासूसी की जा रही है, ऐसा आरोप लगाया। आप डीजीपी से मिलने गए थे, आप डीजीपी से मिलने गए थे।
सर आपको कोई फॉलो कर रहे हैं, आपके मूवमेंट को फॉलो कर रहे हैं सर?
देखिए ये सर थोड़ा सा सर बता दीजिए सर।
आई कैनॉट, दिस इज अ सीरियस इशू, आई कैनॉट कमेंट ऑन एनीथिंग, आई एम सॉरी। Speaking in the court at the Aryan Khan case, the lawyer of NCB had once said that this entire case is like a Sherlock Holmes book where it gets mysterious in every page, and that exactly is what it seems to be happening as of now, because what we can say is that the NCB zonal director Sameer Wankhede has now claimed that he is being stalked by some people in civil dress, and he has also given a complaint to the state police as well as the union government, alleging that someone is stalking them. He has also given some CCTV footage of him going and visiting his mother at her grave, and he has been saying that people have been following him, and they have also tried to get the CCTV footage, the timing when he is coming over there. We all know what happened recently when the Nationalist Congress Party, the NCP, did 2 press conferences in fact, and the cabinet minister Nawab Malik twice alleged that the entire raid in which Aryan Khan was arrested is fake. He also said that Sameer Wankhede is working with the BJP, and this is happening because of the BJP. Although at that time Sameer Wankhede has said that all these allegations are baseless, now he had complained and said that someone in civil dress, which means that someone who is in any department, who is an investigating officer or someone from an investigation agency, is trying to stalk him, to follow him. So it would be important to see what happens, because he has asked for the police security for him as well as for his family. So will that be given to him? That is one question. And what happens next in this case, because the next hearing is on Wednesday, and before that we saw a lot of things happening, and now Sameer Wankhede saying that someone is stalking them. This makes the whole case, which is controversial since day one, more controversial. So Sameer Wankhede has claimed, although he is not speaking to the media, in the media we saw his comments where he is saying he won't talk on this topic because this is a very important topic. But as of now, what we can say that he has complained not only to the state police but also the union government that he is being stalked and followed by someone in civil dress. In Mumbai, Sohit Pashra, NDTV.